Welcome to Transtar. This video introduces Transtar's Low Spot Finder Guide Coat. Guide coat is used on bodywork, primed panels, and before top coating. It makes it easy to identify high and low spots on the panel to make sanding more efficient, or identify where body or panel preparation may be needed. Transtar's aerosol delivery guide coat is easy and convenient to apply. It comes with a proprietary nozzle that is fully adjustable. The spray tip can be rotated to change the fan pattern direction from horizontal to vertical to accommodate a range of applications. Low Spot Finder Guide Coat is formulated to not react with existing coatings, limiting any chance of wrinkling or damage. Transtar's Guide Coat dries in seconds. It's easy and quick to sand, and doesn't cling to or clog abrasive paper. Ready for Transtar Low Spot Finder Guide Coat? Visit gettranstar.com to find a distributor.